What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can go and earn money just by uploading photos. You just have to upload your photos and they are going to go and give you money. Now how you can go and earn money, you must be thinking. Basically what happens is, when I was getting a camera in my phone, I used to go and click all of the random photos. I don't know what, but I just love to make clicking photos and so on and so forth. I just keep on uploading because Facebook was free, so you just click the photo, upload it online, and that's about it. But I didn't know that if I upload the photo, I'm going to go and get some cash out of it. So what people do is they upload their own photo and upload it on a website, and from that website people actually give money to buy that photo, and they buy the photo to upload it on their website, or if they want to go and do some advertisement, they buy that photo. So I just wanted to tell you that I used to go and click all the random photos like an elephant and a guy with three snakes and just a car, and this was the most amazing photo of mine. So I really loved the photo of which I clicked. So I used to go and click all of the random photos, and I didn't know that they can give me some cash out of it. So this was taken. This is the keyboard which I use. So this looks amazing. So people buy that photo. So where they buy is Shutterstock. This is the website I'm going to go and tell you that you have to go and sign up on this website. People actually buy the photos from this Shutterstock. So you just go and upload your photo, and there you go, you might going to go and get some cash. People actually pay $50 to buy the images. Just for the image they pay $50. Just imagine, this looks pretty amazing to me, Land Rover. So just go and see what kind of photos people actually upload. So you have to go and find out that this photo looks amazing, people buy this photo, and you have to go, and this is how the website looks. People actually buy their photo to add it on their website, and that's how, if people buy your photo, you are going to get some money out of it. So just go and upload the photo on Shutterstock. Right now I know most of the people which you have it right now must be having a good camera in your phone. So just go and you make use of it, upload a photo on Shutterstock. You might get some money out of it. It's not like your job. You are clicking photos just for entertainment, and just uploading on the Shutterstock might get some cash out of it. So what's bad in it? So that's about it. Just go and upload your photo. In place of uploading on Facebook or Instagram, just go and give it a shot to Shutterstock, and that's about it. Earn money from Shutterstock by uploading photos. How cool is that? It's not like you have to go and keep on uploading again and again. It's not 100% your photo is going to be sold. If you have a good photo, it might sell. If not good photo, it might not sell. So don't just go and say you told me to upload photos and I didn't got any money. It's just you upload it on Facebook. Just go and try and give it a shot to Shutterstock. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazar and I'm signing out.